Have you ever wondered why your goals just don't stick, no matter how disciplined or motivated you are? Most people think they fail because they don't have enough willpower, but that's not actually true. Even the most driven entrepreneurs and small business owners struggle when their unconscious mind isn't on board with what they're doing. Here's what most people don't realize. Your unconscious mind, just like the Federation of Planets, has a prime directive. Its number one job is to keep you safe and consistent with what it already believes. And here's a fascinating fact. Your unconscious mind doesn't know the difference between something that's already happened and something you have vividly imagined happening, which means we can use that to our advantage. Using NLP goal setting, we don't write a goal that we someday wish to achieve. We write them as if it is now. Because when your unconscious mind accepts a goal as its present reality, it starts to line up your thoughts, feelings, and actions to match that reality. And when we use timeline therapy to install that goal into your future timeline, suddenly your unconscious mind doesn't question things anymore because it thinks it's already done. Bye-bye all the doubts, bye-bye all the tension. Things just start to flow. Suddenly, your unconscious mind isn't questioning if you can achieve it because it already believes you have. And boy, does that make a difference to the way things flow. Inside my goals course, I walk you through a 3-step process to achieve this. First of all, we tune in. We listen to our body's signals, as we've been doing in previous episodes in this playlist, and we check in with what's feeling aligned, what's feeling draining, what's feeling exciting, right? Then we have to write it right, correctly, okay? In NLP, we do this a little differently. We shape it in a way that your unconscious mind can work with powerfully, in a way it can accept. We write it in the present tense, it is sensory-based, and it's always written as if it is right now. And then, finally, we install it. With timeline therapy, we can put that goal into your future timeline. Remember, your unconscious mind doesn't know the difference between a memory and a really detailed imaginary thing. So we can put that in your timeline so that it feels inevitable. Instead of pushing yourself towards your goals, you're going to feel pulled towards them. Sound good? Give me a like if it does. What does that unlock? 2 of my clients completed this goals course with me in a live workshop. And now they're really surprised at how things are just happening. They're just doing it. Things that used to feel heavy and hard and complicated suddenly happen really easily. There's less noise. There's less thoughts in their head, less confusion about what they're doing. They're in flow because their brain feels like it's already done it. Because once we install a goal in this way, the unconscious mind gets a chance to map out everything that needs to happen between now and the future goal. It's seen itself do all of those steps unconsciously. It knows exactly what to do, and that means that self-doubt, that stress, that anxiety, all the lessons that it could learn along the way have already happened for it. And that is powerful. So powerful. So have you ever set up a goal that looked perfect on paper, but you never achieved it? Or worse, you achieved it, but you didn't feel anything. You're not alone. I'd love to hear your experiences below. This is the exact process that I teach in my goals course. In fact, you get a recording of me walking you through installing this into your future timeline that you can use over and over and over again. Every goal you want to set, I'm here for you in the goals course forever, helping you to use this little trick. We write goals using this NLP technique. We install them into your timeline, and we create the kind of alignment that makes success feel inevitable. Adelaide entrepreneurs who I'm working with here in South Australia are already seeing incredible results. So if you're ready to stop battling your goals and start feeling pulled towards them, check out the link below. So you've seen how powerful it is to set a goal and have your mind believe it if it is now. When you install it into your future timeline, resistance drops away and success just feels natural. Sound good? Give me a like if that appeals. In the next episode of the Clarity Crisis series, I'm going to explain to you how to bring all these pieces together so you can stop circling in confusion, stop getting stuck, and keep moving forward. Don't forget to go check out the online goals course, especially if you're excited to create your goal as if it's now and feel that authentic flow in your business. That's it for this week. I'll see you next time on the Inner Business Podcast. Take care.